top 7 vitamins to repair your nerves. If you experience tingling, burning, or shooting pains in your feet or hands, it could be a sign of nerve damage. Nerves in your body carry electrical signals, and when the very ends of these nerves are damaged, it can cause sharp pain, especially in the toes or fingertips. In severe cases, you may notice numbness, loss of balance, or muscle weakness. This condition is called peripheral neuropathy and can be caused by various factors like high blood sugar, alcohol, poor circulation, and nutritional deficiencies. The good news is that there are specific vitamins, including antioxidants, minerals, and phytonutrients, that can help heal the nerves naturally and restore normal sensation in your hands and feet, effectively eliminating nerve pain. In today's video, we'll discuss these vitamins and natural remedies to promote nerve healing. However, it's important to remember that this video is for educational purposes only. If you have any medical concerns, please consult your doctor for personalized advice and treatment. Let's start with the first item on our list: alpha-lipoic acid. This natural antioxidant is known for its remarkable ability to heal and repair nerves. Taking a supplement of 600 mg alpha-lipoic acid 3 times a day can effectively reduce symptoms like pain, tingling, and prickling sensations in the feet, legs, and hands. In fact, it is commonly prescribed in Germany for these purposes. One of the key benefits of alpha-lipoic acid is its ability to improve blood flow to the nerves, providing essential nourishment and protecting them from oxidative damage. Additionally, it aids in ensuring that the electrical signals travel smoothly through your nerves to your brain, promoting proper nerve function. Aside from supplements, you can also obtain alpha-lipoic acid from high-quality organ meats and red meat, such as beef liver, cod liver, and pasture-raised beef. Including these nutritious food sources in your diet can complement the effects of alpha-lipoic acid supplements and contribute to better nerve health. Moving on to the second crucial vitamin for nerve healing: vitamin B1, specifically in the form of benfotiamine. Nerve problems often arise from excessive consumption of junk foods and high sugar levels in the blood, leading to inflammation and oxidative damage to the blood vessels connected to your nerves. To address these issues naturally, consider taking 300 mg of benfotiamine twice a day. Benfotiamine, being fat-soluble, easily penetrates the fatty outer layer of your nerves, myelin, to promote internal healing. By doing so, it effectively prevents your nerves from short-circuiting and sending incorrect signals back to the brain, which often triggers pain, numbness, and tingling sensations. Furthermore, benfotiamine serves as an excellent remedy for anxiety, as it calms the nervous system, helping you feel steady, focused, and relaxed. Alongside supplements, you can also obtain regular B1, thiamine, by incorporating sunflower seeds, beef liver, pastured eggs, and asparagus into your diet. If you find this information beneficial, please show your support by liking this video, subscribing to our channel, and enabling all notifications to receive the latest health and nutrition tips. Your journey to improve nerve health begins here. Now, let's delve into number 3, the extra virgin cod liver oil. When it comes to nourishing and healing your nerves and brain, loading up on foods rich in DHA, omega-3, is crucial. DHA, a specific type of omega-3 fatty acid, serves as raw material for your body to construct new, healthy neurons and nerve cells, making it the most abundant fatty acid in the brain. While you can obtain DHA from fatty fish like wild salmon, sardines, anchovies, and mackerel, the most potent natural source is Icelandic extra virgin cod liver oil, with a recommended intake of 1 teaspoon per day. The omega-3 fats found in cod liver oil possess potent anti-inflammatory properties, facilitating the healing of any pockets of inflammation and swelling that may impact your nerves. Let's now explore one of my favorite health-boosting foods, nutritional yeast. I highly recommend incorporating 2 to 3 tablespoons of nutritional yeast flakes into your daily diet if you seek to heal nerve damage and prevent potential issues in the future. Nutritional yeast flakes are a nutritional powerhouse, loaded with essential B vitamins such as B1, B3, B5, and B6, all of which play a critical role in maintaining a healthy nervous system. By regularly consuming nutritional yeast, you can effectively manage your blood sugars, reverse neuropathy, and experience increased energy levels, thanks to its ability to improve glucose metabolism. Apart from nutritional yeast, you can also obtain the B-complex vitamins from other sources such as shellfish, seafood, eggs, and dairy products. Embracing these B vitamin-rich foods can significantly contribute to your overall nerve health and bolster your well-being in the long run. Next on our list is an extraordinary active ingredient known as curcumin, which is abundantly present in turmeric. Turmeric, a spice from the ginger family, boasts a rich history of over 4,000 years, revered for its potent anti-inflammatory properties and pain-relieving effects, addressing a wide array of health concerns. Incorporating just a teaspoon of turmeric into your stir-fries, curries, or even blending it in a glass of milk can work wonders in restoring your nerves and alleviating various types of nerve pain. To optimize curcumin absorption, I highly recommend adding a pinch of black pepper, which can enhance your body's curcumin uptake by an astonishing 2,000%. Moreover, turmeric also supports your liver in producing glutathione, the master antioxidant responsible for healing and nourishing your nervous system. By embracing the power of turmeric, you're actively contributing to your overall well-being and nurturing your nerve health. Given the abundance of information in this video, don't hesitate to pause, rewind, and take notes as needed. Empowering yourself with this knowledge will undoubtedly lead to a healthier, happier you. Moving on to the 6th crucial nutrient for your nerves, zinc. This essential mineral plays a pivotal role in constructing neurons, hormones, and neurotransmitters that are all instrumental in supporting your nervous system. Notably, zinc is particularly effective in healing and safeguarding the nerves in your eyes, making it especially valuable for individuals with diabetes. To incorporate more zinc into your diet, consider enjoying oysters, seaweed, crab meat, liver, beef, and pumpkin seeds. These zinc-rich foods can fortify your nerve health and contribute to overall well-being. Alternatively, you may opt for a daily supplement of 30 mg zinc chelate to ensure adequate zinc intake. The benefits of zinc extend beyond nerve health, as it also aids in stabilizing blood sugar levels and preventing further damage to your nerves. By incorporating zinc into your diet or supplementation routine, you're taking a proactive step towards nurturing your nervous system and promoting better overall health. Now, let's focus on a vital nutrient for treating nerve damage, vitamin B12. Deficiencies in vitamin B12 are quite common, especially among the elderly or individuals following a plant-based diet like vegans or vegetarians. However, vitamin B12 is absolutely essential for your nerves, as it plays a crucial role in building their protective outer coating called the myelin sheath. To ensure sufficient vitamin B12 intake, consider incorporating shellfish, seafood, red meats, eggs, and algae into your diet. These foods are rich sources of this essential nutrient, supporting the nourishment and repair of your nerves by aiding in the production of red blood cells. For effective nerve regeneration, you can opt for a daily supplement of 1,800 mg of B12 in the form of methylcobalamin, which is preferable to cyanocobalamin due to potential toxic side effects. As you can see, a range of powerful nutrients and vitamins can be harnessed to heal and repair your nerves, restoring normal sensation in your toes, fingers, hands, feet, and other damaged nerve areas in your body. Many of these nerve-nourishing nutrients can be found in foods you regularly consume, making it convenient to start enhancing your diet with the recommendations we've shared in today's video. Causes of nerve damage and preventing further damage. To prevent further damage to your nerves, it's essential to understand the root causes of nerve problems in the first place, ensuring they don't recur in the future. One common cause of nerve pain and damage is the consumption of excessive A.G.Es, advanced glycation end products, in your diet. These sticky proteins build up on your nerves, blocking normal signals from flowing through them. Foods like barbecue-coated meats, ice cream, pizza, donuts, flavored yogurt, and fast foods are culprits that combine proteins/fats with sugar, leading to A.G.E formation. Another prevalent cause of nerve damage is high blood sugars resulting from diabetes or prediabetes. Elevated sugar levels in the blood damage the blood vessels that nourish your nerves. This disrupts the nerve's protective coating, leading to short-circuiting and resulting in numbness, tingling, burning, and other discomforts. Lifestyle tips to repair nerves. To keep your nerves healthy and repair any damage, consider incorporating the following lifestyle changes. Avoid inflammatory vegetable oils like margarine, soy, corn, canola, safflower, and processed olive oil, as they cause inflammation and damage to nerves and blood vessels. Include mixed seafood, oily fish, sea vegetables like nori and kelp, and shellfish like mussels and clams in your diet at least twice a week. These foods are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which stimulate healing of nerve and brain tissue. Practice intermittent fasting, consuming all your calories within a 4-hour window and fasting for 20 hours per day. This promotes autophagy, where your body clears out sticky proteins, A.G.Es, that may damage your nerves. Fasting also helps regulate blood sugars. Engage in at least 20 minutes of exercise twice a week to improve blood flow to the peripheral nerves in your hands and feet, facilitating repair. Take regular baths in hot water and Epsom salts to alleviate nerve pain, as the heat increases blood circulation for quick relief. Adding essential oils like lavender to the bathwater can also relax the nervous system and reduce anxiety. By following these 5 key steps and incorporating more of the essential nutrients discussed in this video, you can rapidly promote healing and repair of nerve damage in your body. Thank you for watching this video. As always, I wish you great health, wealth, and happiness.